Use insecticidal soap spray made from potassium salts of fatty acids to control soft-bodied insects like aphids, whiteflies, and mealybugs. Make your own spray or use a commercial potassium salt of fatty acids product for dependable low toxicity control. Mix to the label strength or use about 1 to 2 teaspoons of product per quart of water if creating a homeowner batch, and always add a few drops of mild liquid soap only if the product instructions allow it. Spray until runoff, focusing on the undersides of leaves and crevices where insects hide, and repeat application every 7 to 10 days until pests are gone. Avoid spraying when temperatures exceed 80 degrees Fahrenheit or when plants are drought stressed to prevent leaf burn and reduced effectiveness. For hard-to-reach infestations or thick, waxy residues on mealybugs, combine the soap spray with a separate horticultural oil applied at a compatible rate, alternating applications so oils and soaps do not mix in the tank unless the labels explicitly allow tank mixing. Test any homemade mixture on a small branch and wait 24 hours before treating the whole plant to check for sensitivity. The most common mistake is poor coverage, especially missing leaf undersides and new growth, which leads to treatment failure. Correct this by spraying slowly until you see droplets form and by turning leaves if needed. Another frequent problem is application during hot, sunny, or drought conditions, which causes phytotoxicity. Prevent this by treating in the early morning or late afternoon and watering plants lightly a day before application to reduce stress. A third issue is overuse or too frequent applications, which can harm beneficial insects and stress plants. Stick to the 7 to 10 day reapplication interval and alternate control methods like hand removal and horticultural oils when populations decline. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers community discussion where gardeners and contractors exchange real-world tips about low toxicity, pest control, and product choices. We help contractors find work and homeowners find people to do projects while also hosting an active forum for practical advice on sprays, application timing, and compatible products.